Today's cryptic crossword clue is low line is less than 20. There are several different ways of saying that. I had to say it in that way because if I say it in the way that I want to say it, I'm actually just saying the answer. In fact, if I say it in a particular way, I'm saying the answer twice. And so here the definition is this low line. There's another word for that low line. It's a very common word. You probably already know what the answer to this clue is, but that's the definition here. And this clue, we haven't really talked about this before, but this clue is kind of called a charade clue, where you build the answer out of component parts by finding other words for them. So here we need to find another word for the less than symbol, and we need to find another word for 20, and when we say those two words together, they will give us our answer. And let's start with 20. There is a word that can replace the number 20, and it's the word score. A score is 20. Probably the most famous example of this is the Gettysburg Address, where Lincoln said 7 years ago. He's saying 4 20s is 80 and 7. He's saying 87 years ago. 7 years ago. So 20 is score, and the less than symbol could be underscore. Our low line is an underscore.